Welcome. In front of me I have OnePlus 8 Pro, and today I'll show you how you can downgrade your Android version from 11 beta to Android 10. So at the first I will show you that I really work on the Android 11. So when I'm going for the settings and tap on the about phone, as you can see in the build number you can find the beta version, right? So to make it, you have to download the file. The link you will find in the description of this video, and that file you have to paste in your file manager in the internal storage. And this is the file. It's around 2 gigs of data, and as you can see it's in the .zip. Remember to get the .zip. If you get the .zip.jar, you have to rename, so simply click hold and then tap here to rename and change the name for the zip, and after that it will work. So if you actually download this file, you have to simply enter for the settings on your smartphone, then go for the system. Next you have to find the system updates, tap on the right upper corner and go for the local upgrade. Next you have to choose our file that we downloaded, and as you can see the package we selected will restart our device to factory reset, so it will be just simply hard reset method. So you have to remember to back up every stuff you have on your phone, like your photos, your notes, messages and stuff like that. So remember to make it before this downgrade, and if you make it, just simply tap on the confirm. Then you have to input your PIN code and just go forward, and now we have to wait, so be patient. Okay, and as you can see the installation process is complete, so right now we have to tap the reboot and our smartphone will be restarted, so we have to wait. And as you can see right now we can easily go for the first setup of our device. Okay, and we are already finished. We can start. So you can see the hard reset was complete, and when you go for the settings right now and just take a look at the system and check the updates, as you can see we can update our phone. And when we take a look right here for the about phone and then check the Android version, as you can see currently we are on the version 10. So that's basically how we can downgrade the 11 beta version to the 10 on a OnePlus 8 Pro. And that's it. And as I said before, the link to download the file you will find in the description of this video. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.